Hey, welcome back to this mini lecture. This one is a quick introduction to data visualization. What is data or information in visualization? You might want to think for it for a second, and if you have your own definition, you can compare it to this. Data visualization is used to interpret and gain insight into data. It is mainly achieved through visual displays of data, hence data or information visualization. What are the various purposes of data visualization? Why might you do it? Maybe you might want to pause the video, think for a second what these purposes could be. Here's 4 of them. Data visualization can help enhance learning. If you're new to a topic, a visualization can help you learn more about it. Secondly, it can improve understanding. Maybe by taking a visual view of a phenomenon, it can provide you understanding that maybe a textual analysis alone cannot do. 3, it helps to foster reasoning. By seeing various trends and things in the data, various patterns, it can help you make some reasoning and some thoughts and some analysis based on the phenomenon that's been visualized. And finally, it can help make decisions. If you see these trends, if you learn new things, if you have a greater understanding of an underlying phenomenon that's been visualized, you can make better decisions based on it. All worthwhile. What's the relationship of data visualization with the various users who might consume your visualization? On the left are some things that a data visualization can lead a user to do, and then on the right are some prompts that a user can take from this. So first, by having a user seeing data visualization, he or she can detect some patterns, and from these patterns the person can draw inferences. So again, getting a deeper understanding of the data. Secondly, you can detect trends, and from these trends you can anticipate potential outcomes. Say if you're seeing a graph slope up, you could see that you most likely will see, might make an observation that it'll most likely continue. Alternatively, if something's been trending upwards for a long time, it may be time for a decrease. So again, you can anticipate potential outcomes. Finally, you can help detect relations. And from these relations within the data, you can ask questions of the data that may not have been considered. So by doing all those things, a user can get something out of the data that's they're looking at, that's been visualized. Other concepts you might want to consider: a visualization is a system of data. You have data that's underlying it, that's being put on a piece of paper or a screen. That in itself creates a system. Data systems are often hierarchical, where the most important information is at the top. Less important information is cascading downwards. Within hierarchies, there may be subsystems or sub-hierarchies. If you have very complex data, it can have various levels. These systems are made of various entities that comprise the system. These systems can have multiple properties that are found by looking at the visualization. And finally, all entities in the system have relationships with one another. Because all of these things are included in a visualization, they should have a relationship with one another, so that they cohere, they have a harmony that helps to understand each of these different elements. So final considerations you might want to make when you're creating your visualization, something to think about over time. What data or a subset of a data is relevant for your aims? You can't take everything. You might not be able to take a whole population of data. You might need just a sample. What is relevant for your aim? Who is the audience you're trying to appeal to? How will you encode your data to be able to process it visually? How do you structure the visualization? How will it look? How will you demonstrate the relationship between data? That there's going to be data that's underlying your visualization. How are they related to one another? What is the visualization scale? Really, really big, very, very small, somewhere in between. Ultimately, this is something you want to guide your work. Will users who are looking at your visualization understand how the visualization works intuitively? Similarly, will they understand what the visualization represents intuitively, so that you don't have to give them additional information? The visualization itself should be able to make the person looking at it understand how it works and what it represents. With that all being said, thanks for this introduction to data visualization. Hope to see you again soon.